Hello everyone. In this video, we learn how to access Google Sheets. If you want access to Google Sheets, there is three different ways. First, search Google Sheets on your browser and click on the first one, Google Sheets. Now, click on Go to Sheets. Before you coming to this page, you must first sign in your Google account, and after that you are in the Google Sheets home. Also, another way, if you on your browser tab on the new tab section, in your right on the top next to your profile we have a Google Apps icon. Click on it, and from these apps scroll down and you can find Google Sheets. Click on it. Now you are again in Google Sheets. Also, if you are access to your Google Drive, for example, in your Google Drive, in your left on the top, click on new icon, and from menu click on Google Sheets. Now you are in the new sheets, but if you want to go to the home page of Google Sheet, in your left on the top click on Sheets icon, the green icon. As you see, in the three different way we are access to Google Sheets home. I hope this video was useful for you, and please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more video. Thanks for watching.